Welcome to Peak Agro Seeds, where Michelle and Cody prove that you don't need vast acreage to feed a large family. By maximizing just 1/8 of an acre, they successfully provide year-round food for a family of 6 through efficient gardening and innovative storage. Their garden is a masterclass in high-yield planning. They produce hundreds of pounds of potatoes and onions, focusing heavily on proper curing to ensure the harvest lasts through the winter. For essential calories and protein, they plant corn in square plots to maximize pollination and grow dried beans that are easily processed using simple, low-tech methods. From raised beds for sweet potatoes to a massive asparagus patch, every square inch serves a purpose. Even as the weather cools, they use simple cold frames built from cinder blocks and old windows to keep fresh greens growing until December. The real magic happens indoors, in what they call their personal grocery store. Their basement features a DIY root cellar that uses the natural cooling of the earth to keep vegetables fresh without extra electricity. They manage their harvest with a strategy of one big planting, followed by intensive preservation, making winter meal prep faster and easier than summer cooking. Whether it's storing unwashed carrots in the fridge for 10 months or using window screens to dry herbs instead of expensive dehydrators, their approach is built on resourcefulness and simplicity. By focusing on smart storage and efficient practices, they show that true self-sufficiency is within reach for anyone. If you like this video, please subscribe to Peak Agro Seeds.